Trigonometric ratios. Dear friends, the word trigonometry is formed from two Greek words. Trigonon means triangle and metry means measures. So measures of a triangle. So first we define trigonometric ratios with the help of a triangle only. If A is an acute angle of a right angle triangle in which angle B is a right angle, then the side BC is the opposite side, side AB is the adjacent side of angle A, and side AC is the hypotenuse. Using a triangle, the trigonometric ratios of an acute angle A are sin A equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse equal to BC upon AC, cos A equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse equal to AB upon AC, tan A equal to opposite side upon adjacent side equal to BC upon AB, cosec A equal to hypotenuse upon opposite side equal to AC upon BC, sec A equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side equal to AC upon AB, and cot A equal to adjacent side upon opposite side equal to AB upon BC. Now we have to deal with angles of any measure and sign. Hence we will generalize these concepts for any angle. Trigonometric ratios of any angle. If an angle is in standard position, then its vertex is at origin and its initial arm lies along the positive x-axis. Definitions. Let theta be the measure of the angle AOB in standard position. Let P x, y be any point on the terminal arm OB such that length OP equal to R not equal to 0. Then we define the trigonometric ratios of angle theta as follows. Number 1, sin theta equal to y upon r. 2, cosine theta equal to x upon r. Tangent theta, that is tan theta, equal to y upon x if x is not equal to 0. 4, cosecant theta, that is cosec theta, equal to r upon y if y not equal to 0. 5, secant theta, that is sec theta, equal to r upon x if x not equal to 0. 6, cotangent theta, that is cot theta, equal to x upon y if y not equal to 0. Note that in mathematics, division by 0 is not defined. So 0 by 0 is an indeterminate form in mathematics. Note that by definition, cos theta equal to x upon r and sin theta equal to y upon r. Therefore, x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. Thus, p x, y can be taken as p r cos theta, r sin theta. Interrelations between trigonometric ratios. From the definitions of trigonometric ratios, we have sin theta equal to y upon r and cosec theta equal to r upon y. Therefore, cosec theta equal to 1 upon sin theta and sin theta equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Therefore, sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. Cos theta equal to x upon r and sec theta equal to r upon x. Therefore, sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta and cos theta equal to 1 upon sec theta. Therefore, sec theta into cos theta equal to 1. Tan theta equal to y upon x and cot theta equal to x upon y. Therefore, cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta and tan theta equal to 1 upon cot theta. Therefore, tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Tan theta equal to y upon x equal to y upon r upon x upon r, and cot theta equal to x upon y equal to x upon r upon y upon r. Therefore, tan theta equal to sin theta upon cos theta and cot theta equal to cos theta upon sin theta. Signs of the trigonometric ratios in different quadrants. The trigonometric ratios are defined in terms of x, y and r, where x, y are the coordinates of any point on the terminal arm of the angle theta and r is the length of OP. Since r is always positive, the signs of trigonometric ratios depend on the quadrant in which the point P lies. The following diagram shows only the positive ratios in the quadrants. The positive ratios may be remembered by associating the first letter of the words add sugar to coffee with all ratios sin, tan and cos respectively, and assigning a positive sign in the serial order of the four quadrants. We have sin theta equal to y upon r and cos theta equal to x upon r, where r greater than 0. Therefore, sin theta and cos theta exist for all values of theta. Tan theta equal to y upon x and sec theta equal to r upon x if x not equal to 0. Whenever x equal to 0, that is whenever the point P lies on the y-axis, tan theta and sec theta do not exist. The values of theta for which the point P lies on the y-axis are plus minus pi by 2, plus minus 3 pi by 2, plus minus 5 pi by 2, etc. Thus, tan theta and sec theta do not exist when theta is an odd integral multiple of pi by 2. Cot theta equal to x upon y and cosec theta equal to r upon y if y not equal to 0. Whenever y equal to 0, that is whenever the point P lies on the x-axis, cot theta and cosec theta do not exist. The values of theta for which the point P lies on the x-axis are 0, plus minus pi, plus minus 2 pi, etc. Thus, cot theta and cosec theta do not exist when theta is an integral multiple of pi. We know that x square plus y square equal to r square. So minus r less than or equal to x less than or equal to r and minus r less than or equal to y less than or equal to r. Therefore, minus 1 less than or equal to x upon r less than or equal to 1 and minus 1 less than or equal to y upon r less than or equal to 1. That is, minus 1 less than or equal to cos theta less than or equal to 1 and minus 1 less than or equal to sin theta less than or equal to 1 for any theta. That is, the values of sin theta and cos theta always lie between minus 1 and 1. Both the values are inclusive. Cosec theta less than or equal to minus 1 or cosec theta greater than or equal to 1 for any theta where sin theta is not equal to 0. Sec theta less than or equal to minus 1 or sec theta greater than or equal to 1 for any theta where cos theta is not equal to 0. Tan theta and cot theta can take all real values. Table of values. Sin 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, tan 0 is 0. Sin 30 degrees is half, cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2, tan 30 degrees 1 by root 3, sin 45 degrees 1 by root 2, cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2, tan 45 degrees 1, sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2, cos 60 degrees half, tan 60 degrees root 3, sin 90 degrees 1, cos 90 degrees 0, tan 90 degrees not defined, sin 180 degrees 0, cos 180 degrees minus 1, tan 180 degrees 0, sin 270 degrees minus 1, cos 270 degrees 0, tan 270 degrees not defined, sin 360 degrees equal to 0, cos 360 degrees 1 and tan 360 degrees is 0. We know that if two coterminal angles are in standard position, then they have the same initial arm and the same terminal arm. Hence their corresponding trigonometric ratios are the same. Further, we know that the measures of two coterminal angles differ by an integral multiple of 2 pi, that is 360 degrees. Hence, it follows that if the measures of the two angles differ by an integral multiple of 2 pi, that is 360 degrees, then their corresponding trigonometric ratios are equal. Trigonometric ratios of negative angle. We have sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta, cos of minus theta equal to cos theta, tan of minus theta equal to minus tan theta, cosec of minus theta equal to minus cosec theta, sec of minus theta equal to sec theta, and cot of minus theta equal to minus cot theta. Fundamental identities. X plus 4 equal to 5 is an equation because it is true only for one value, whereas a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. This is an identity because this is true for all the values of a and b. We now discuss the fundamental trigonometric identities. They are: number 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1 for all real values of theta. From this we can say sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, that is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Also cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta, that is 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Second fundamental identity is 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta for all theta where cos theta is not equal to 0. That is tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1, that is sec theta minus 1 into sec theta plus 1. Also sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, that is sec theta minus tan theta into another bracket sec theta plus tan theta equal to 1. Third fundamental identity is 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta for all theta where sin theta not equal to 0. The same can be written as cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1, that is cosec theta minus 1 into cosec theta plus 1, or cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1, that is cosec theta minus cot theta into cosec theta plus cot theta equal to 1. Note that these are identities. Therefore sin square theta square plus cos square theta square is also 1. 1 plus tan square of theta by 2 equal to sec square of theta by 2, and 1 plus cot square of a plus b plus c equal to cosec square of the same angle, that is a plus b plus c. Again note that sin of theta square plus cos of theta square is not equal to 1, and sin of theta by 2 is not the same as sin theta divided by 2. While solving the examples on identities, you can use any one of the following 4 methods. Number 1, start with RHS and simplify it to get LHS. Second, start with LHS and simplify it to get the RHS. Number 3, reduce if required both LHS and RHS to the same expression. Number 4, begin with an identity and if possible, obtain both the sides simultaneously. The last part in this topic is elimination. Eliminating theta from the equations containing x, y and theta means finding a relation in x and y which does not contain theta. The result so obtained is called an eliminant. You have to use the fundamental trigonometric identities to eliminate theta. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. That is sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. And 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. That is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1.